IT Major Infosys will be coming up with their Q2 FY22 numbers today and let us know what is expected out of company numbers this time. So overall, we expect that the deal ramp-ups will drive the strong growth for the company, and in revenue terms, we are expecting a growth of 6.5% on a quarter-on-quarter basis in constant currency terms, and in dollar revenue, that could show a jump of 5.6% from $3,782 million that was recorded last quarter. This time, we are expecting that to be at $3,996 million, and in the bottom line, in the net profit, we are expecting a jump of 2% from 5,195 crores last quarter. We are expecting a number of 5,294 rupees crore this time. While EBIT, talking of that could show a jump of 0.7%, and the number is expected to be at 6,650 crores. But now let's talking of margins as well, because the operating margins could show a decline of 110 basis points on a quarter-on-quarter basis from 23.7% of operating margins last quarter. This time the expectation is at 22.6%, but this decline could be on the back of the wage hikes being taken and also the deal transaction cost, because Daimler deal, that was a very big one, is expected to contribute 2% on a quarter-on-quarter basis this time in the overall numbers for the company. But now let's talk about the future outlook. The deal win is expected to remain robust for the company, and apart from that, we expect the company to lift its revenue growth band to 16 to 18% while maintaining a margin guidance of 22 to 24%. This time as well, as I said, that we are expecting a margin of 22.6%. So going forward, we expect the company to maintain a guidance between 22 to 24% of the range. Investor focus will remain on the demand outlook and the supply side pressures, because this is something that has been impacting the whole of the IT industry, if I say. But apart from this, we'll be watching out for what is their outlook on their BFSI and the retail outlook, and what is the revival in the deal wins post the moderation that we have seen in the past 2 quarters, and also the attrition trend is something that we watch for all the IT companies. But now let's talk about the stock price as well. So we saw the stock touching its all-time high at 1,787.5 rupees per share on 24th of September, and since that, especially after the TCS numbers where it was a marginal miss, but the stock reaction was quite very severe one, where TCS fell 6% after the numbers. But talking of Infosys, it is still holding strong, close to 1,700 of levels. The company did complete its buyback of 5.6 crores of shares in September 2021. So a slew of good news as well. The stock is holding right up well, and on these expectations, let's see how the stock reacts tomorrow.